Q3399. Clouds, fog, or dew will always form when A. Water vapor condenses. B. Water vapor is present. C. Relative humidity reaches 100%. The correct answer is A. Condensation occurs when water vapor, which is the gaseous form of water in the air, undergoes a phase change and transforms into liquid water. This process happens when the temperature of the air cools to a point where it can no longer hold all the moisture it contains, causing the water vapor to condense into tiny liquid droplets. Clouds are formed when moist air rises, expands, and cools, leading to condensation of water vapor around tiny particles in the air, such as dust, ice crystals, or aerosols. Fog is a type of cloud that forms near the ground when the air near the surface cools and the moisture in it condenses. Dew forms when the surface, such as grass or leaves, cools during the night, causing the adjacent air to cool as well. When the air temperature drops below the dew point temperature, water vapor in the air condenses onto the cooler surface, forming dew droplets. 3400. What are the processes by which moisture is added to unsaturated air? A. Evaporation and sublimation. B. Heating and condensation. C. Supersaturation and evaporation. The correct answer is A. Evaporation is the process by which water changes from a liquid state to a gaseous state. It occurs when water on the surface, such as bodies of water, moist soil, or plants, absorbs energy from the surroundings, typically in the form of heat, and transforms into water vapor. This water vapor then mixes with the surrounding air, adding moisture to it. Sublimation is the process by which ice or snow directly transforms into water vapor without first melting into liquid water. It occurs when the surrounding air is very dry and has a lower vapor pressure than the ice or snow. The ice or snow molecules gain enough energy to break the solid bonds and transition directly into the gaseous state. 2369. Moisture is added to air by A. Sublimation and condensation. B. Evaporation and condensation. C. Evaporation and sublimation. The correct answer is C. Evaporation is the process by which water changes from a liquid state to a gaseous state. It occurs when liquid water absorbs heat energy from its surroundings and transforms into water vapor. This can happen from various sources such as bodies of water, soil, or vegetation. Sublimation, on the other hand, is the process by which ice or snow directly transforms into water vapor without going through the liquid phase. It occurs when the surrounding air is very dry and has a lower vapor pressure than the ice or snow. The ice or snow molecules gain enough energy to break the solid bonds and transition directly into the gaseous state. 3444. If the temperature/dew point spread is small and decreasing, and the temperature is 620 degrees Fahrenheit, what type weather is most likely to develop? A. Freezing precipitation. B. Thunderstorms. C. Fog or low clouds. The correct answer is C. When the temperature/dew point spread is small and decreasing, and the temperature is close to the dew point temperature, it indicates a high level of moisture in the air. This situation is conducive to the formation of fog or low clouds. Fog is a cloud that forms near the ground when the air is cooled to its dew point temperature, causing the water vapor in the air to condense into tiny water droplets. It typically occurs in stable atmospheric conditions with light winds and high humidity. When the temperature and dew point are close together, it suggests that the air is near saturation and the potential for fog or low cloud formation is higher. As the temperature continues to cool or as moisture continues to increase, fog or low clouds are more likely to develop. Therefore, in the given scenario, with a small and decreasing temperature/dew point spread and a temperature of 62 degrees Fahrenheit, the most likely weather to develop is fog or low cloud. 3422. One of the most easily recognized discontinuities across a front is A. A change in temperature. B. An increase in cloud coverage. C. An increase in relative humidity. The correct answer is A. When a front passes through an area, it often brings a significant change in temperature. This temperature discontinuity is one of the most easily recognized characteristics of a front. At a cold front, for example, the colder air mass replaces the warmer air mass, resulting in a sharp drop in temperature as the front passes. Similarly, at a warm front, the warmer air mass overtakes the cooler air mass, causing a noticeable increase in temperature. These temperature changes can be quite pronounced and are often accompanied by other weather phenomena such as changes in wind direction, cloud formations, and precipitation. While cloud coverage and relative humidity may also change across a front, these factors are not as distinct and easily observed as a change in temperature. Temperature serves as a clear indicator of the front's presence and is commonly used to identify and classify different types of fronts. Therefore, when identifying a front, one of the most easily recognized discontinuities is a change in temperature.